So right here, go in here, you lift up right there.
Okay.
And it comes right apart. Now we put this in between the two. So this part's gonna go into here. That's how we took it out. This part doesn't go into here. And it clips right in. Let me just put it underneath the upholstery here. Do you see that?
No.
I just tucked it underneath all this upholstery.
Okay,
so it's out of the way.
Good to know.
Alright, come back through here. I'm actually going to take this screw off here and I'm going to put it through underneath the upholstery there. For that nice, clean, professional install look. And then for storage, it's not that big a deal to push it down.